Hi guys, I hope you're having an amazing day so far. So today I wanted to talk about something called the Kadistu Code and the Adam Kadmon. Okay, guys, in almost all of the videos, I use these terms. Okay, so I know some of you are like, what the freak is this guy talking about? What is this Kadistu Code? What is this Adam Kadmon? So I decided, to start doing like a short video, explaining what the Kadistu Code is. Okay, and this Adam Kadmon, like the basic. Okay, now the Kadistu Code, in essence, is what we know here on Earth as the caduceus. Okay, this symbol graphically represents the Kadistu Code in DNA. Okay, this symbol, I don't know if you ever seen in like the pharmaceutical industry, this symbol that is going up, that's the caduceus. Okay. So that is the Kadistu code, this energy, this kundalini energy going up. Okay. And we as human beings, we all have this Kadistu code. So what does this Kadistu code mean etymologically speaking? So the Ka refers to the vibration in the fifth dimensions. Okay, guys? Let's remind ourselves that key energy, Ki, Ki, key energy represents the movement of energy within a voltage that only reaches the third dimensions, which is the densest. Okay, we're speaking about the key energy. Key energy is associated with the human body in this dimension, okay, and is generated from the carbon in our bodies during combustion. Now we're going to start talking about these Ka energies. Ka, on the other hand, relates to the vibration in a fifth dimensional voltage. Okay? This energy is not produced from the combustion of carbon of protein foods. Instead, it transforms into photonic energies that we receive from the sun, utilizing the silicon structure. Only in a silicon-based body we can begin to absorb Ka energies. Okay? So these Ka energies, we start to receive them after we shifted from the carbon-based body that we used in the third dimensions. When we start mutating, when our body starts mutating into the silicon-based structure, we start to handle these Ka energies. Okay, guys? So it's during these shifts. Okay? Right now, around the globe, we're seeing a lot of energy coming, a lot of photonic energies coming from the sun. Okay? And some people are not handling very good because the carbon-based bodies cannot hold a lot of a lot of energies. Okay, I'm trying to think how to explain this like in a super simple way. Okay, we have a different vibration. We literally have a different vibration. We literally have a different frequency in the third dimensions with our carbon body than in a silicon body on the fifth dimensions. Okay, guys, we're talking about different bandwidth um, frequencies. A carbon-based body, for example, if you are talking about a carbon-based body, generally, guys, a carbon-based body vibrates 7 hertz. Okay, guys? And then we have this silicon-based body, this mutation that is happening right now. And those bodies are starting to vibrate up to, I think it's between 57 up to 60 hertz. Okay, so this mutation that is happening right now, the thing that is happening is that we're evolving our human vessel, our biology is mutating from a carbon-based body into a silicon-based structure. Okay? Now let's keep going with this Kadistu code. So we already explained what the Ka energies mean. Okay? Now we're going to go to the other part of this word, Kadistu. Now, the IS stands for tuned dimensions. Tuned dimensions. Because the Kadistu code is encrypted in our DNA, we are connected to these dimensions of Earth aligned with our creator source. This code is activated, and then we start shifting up to the 7 dimensions first. Okay, these tuned dimensions, when this Kadistu code starts activating, we start shifting into another octave, okay, of frequency bandwidth. So the next part of this word is the TU. The TU in the Kadistu code represents unified times, okay? This idea was perfectly explained by the Mayans. This implies that within the encryption of the code, the space-time line of Earth in the 3rd dimensions closes completely, okay? And all of the timelines that are allowed for the formation of human DNA to create the Homo sapiens automatically unify within the activation of this code. Okay? Now, along with the knowledge of ancient civilizations, we now know that each ancient civilization, they each played a role in the evolution of humanity. We have the Polaris civilization who started focusing on generating the toroid on Earth. Okay, this toroidal energy. Now we have the Hyperborean civilization that prepared later biology culture civilizations to assemble and anchor the soul aspect in terrestrial races. This assemblage of soul and biology, physiology speaking. Okay, now then we have the Lemurian civilization, dedicated itself to spiritual development, okay, in a dense material environment, facilitating the anchorage and the anchoring of the light of the spirit into the heart of the earth. Meanwhile, we also have the Atlantean civilization that worked with the divine masculine principle to integrate mental design through the light of knowledge, uniting the mental universe with the human body. So we are seeing a Lemurian civilization and an Atlantean civilization. We have the feminine in the Lemurians, and we have the masculine in the Atlantean civilization. And all of this led, guys, to the unification of body, mind, and spirit with this help of these earlier races. So, biologically speaking, the Kadistu Code allows us to integrate body, mind, and spirit. Our biology activates the caduceus or Kadistu Code through the chakra or energy centers system, which can be stimulated through breathing or loving sexual connections. The kundalini energy must rise from the root chakra, and there are various techniques, guys, to activate both our chakra system and this Kadistu Code. The purpose of this is to function as God creators in the maximum density of matter. Okay? And we possess the Kadistu Code, this Kadistu Code, and we are at the same time Adamic, Kadmonic beings. So, Adam Kadmon just means the Adamic equals to integrating all the chemical elements of the planet where that race was formed, combining encrypted codes in the DNA of that race to manifest the source in physicality. Okay? And the Kadmon means achieving this multidimensionality within the molecular physical body. So in a few words, guys, this project that we are, this Homo sapiens spiritualus project or Adam Kadmon project that we are, is to integrate the body, mind, and spirit, and to ground this light of the spirit into our physical reality and therefore anchor it into the heart of the earth, creating these toroidal energies to flow within us, always connected into the heart of the earth and into the heart of God, source, or the universe. We have the masculine, the spirit, father spirit, and we have the feminine, Mother Earth. Okay? So we have to have these energies balanced, both the masculine and the feminine energies, so we can work and function in balance. Okay, guys? And this is what people call this Kundalini awakening. Okay? This Kadistu Code activates. Okay? So therefore, we start functioning as God creators in physicality. Okay, guys? But this is not from one day to another. There is a whole process. So first, we have to activate this Kadistu Code. There are a lot of methods which you can use. Okay, guys? You can use breath work. You can use through sexual loving, it's sex with love, guys. Because that energy, we are always connected into love, guys. Everything is about love. Why? Because our creator is working, and we are working with the spiritual part or concept for this universe. Okay? It's always about love. Okay? In other universes, they work different things, the mental mind, different structures. Okay? So, in my opinion, we are very lucky to have our creator because he has this Holy Trinity assembled to him. Therefore, we have this Holy Trinity assembled to us, which is the masculine, the feminine, and the product. Okay? This Holy Trinity, always working in Trinity. So I hope this video helped, guys. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Okay? This is where the Kai-A term comes from, it's like Reiki, Reiki. What are we working with Reiki? We're using the Kai-A, the key energies of the third dimensions to heal, to achieve certain things. Okay? Now, as soon as we start raising this frequential bandwidth of the earth, we're going to start using the Ka, the Ka energies. Therefore, Merkaba, in order to activate our most subtle bodies. Okay, guys? So I just wanted to make like a short video to see this interaction of body, mind, and spirit. I hope that this was very helpful, guys, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Have a